Hello and welcome to the New Indian Express News Wrap. I am Harshita Nagpal. Pension for senior citizens, widows, physically and mentally challenged citizens in the state has been increased from 2,250 rupees to 2,500 rupees. Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy announced the decision today at a review meeting held with officials on Spandana. Describing it as a New Year gift for the beneficiaries, Jagan said the pension hike will take effect from the 1st of January 2022. He also announced that all the other direct benefit transfer schemes, which were stalled for various reasons since April this year, will be implemented from December 28. Jagan further informed that the EBC Nestam scheme for the economic upliftment of poor women belonging to upper castes in the state will be launched on January 9, 2022. He said a sum of 45,000 rupees will be credited in 3 installments of 15,000 each over 3 years for upper caste women aged between 45 to 60 years belonging to the economically weaker sections. Now, advisor to the state government Sajjala Ramakrishna Reddy held talks with Employees Association leaders to discuss the recommendations of the Pay Revision Commission report. During the one-to-one interaction, Sajjala pointed out that the government is already giving 27% interim relief and clarified that there will be no harm to the employees if the fitment rate is fixed at 14.29%. Explaining that the state is faced with precarious finances due to COVID, Sajjala made it clear that 45% fitment as demanded by the Employees Association is not possible. During the meeting, APJAC Chairman Bandi Srinivas demanded a fitment rate of 55%, while Secretariat Employees Association Chairman Venkat Rama Reddy demanded 34% fitment. AP State Employees Organization Chairman Surya Narayana demanded fitment of 50%. The Nyayasthanam to Devasthanam Padayatra demanding that Amravati be retained as the sole capital of Andhra Pradesh concluded at Alipiri in Tirupati today. The 45-day mega walkathon taken out by farmers and women of Amravati region passed through 4 districts covering 500 kilometers. On the other hand, Andhra Pradesh Abhivruddhi Porata Samiti leaders conducted a rally in the temple town demanding that the state should have 3 capitals. Rayalaseema Intellectuals Forum has filed a petition in the High Court seeking permission to hold a public meeting in Tirupati on December 17 to create awareness on the benefits of decentralization. The High Court struck down GO 35 issued by the government to slash the rates of movie tickets in the state. The court ruled that the theatre managements can increase the rates of tickets during the release of new films. It found the GO to be in contradiction with earlier judgments. In the past, the High Court had directed that Principal Secretary for Home Department should head the committee on ticket rates. However, the committee constituted by the YSRC government has the Principal Secretary for Home Department as one of its members and not the head. With that, it's a wrap. Do follow us on Twitter, Instagram and YouTube and download the New Indian Express app for more news and updates.